That's a big one. Ooh. Oh no. This one's bigger. Ooh, this one is big. Fish on. Oh, what a day. Look at that. Out here it's a beautiful snow day. The snow has been falling for about an hour now, and I think we have about 18 inches of ice right now on this lake. So it should be a good ice fishing day. Welcome back to another adventure. My name is Moose, and today we are doing some ice fishing. As you can see, it's pouring out here. This is really thick snow. The lake is nice and frozen, and the goal is to hook a northern pike. So the question is, are we going to hook one or not? Stay tuned right here to find out. And it's been dumping for the past hour or hour and a half. The snow feels nice and compact. I think we have at least a foot of ice at this point. So we're just gonna go ahead and find a spot and start setting up. Oh, the beautiful day. Oh man, it's getting thicker and thicker. My stuff is full of snow. Look at that. I forgot my ice scooper. That's it. Let's see, this will go in this hole right here. It's gonna be right next to me. It's a bit too icy. I can't believe I forgot my scooper. What can I use? Try using this guy again. Okay, so we have about 18 inches of, oh, there's a fish next to it. That's a trout. I mean, we're going for northern pike, but I wouldn't mind catching my trout bag limit. There were 2 fish next to it. Alright, let's rig the next one. This hole is sideways, but that's okay. Let's see. Oh, this one already has a hook on it. That's good. That means all I have to do is rig my power bait, and we are good to go. Tiny hook right there. Need some power bait. Smells like fish. Okay, let's see. There we have it. All right, power bait. Let's go. Fish on. It's a good trout. Look at that. Beautiful fish. Rainbow trout. Okay. I got you. Not bad. I need a bigger one. Bring me luck. Remember, we need a big pike. There's a fish next to it. Oh, we got it. Fish on. Oh no. Took some of it. Oh, he's there. You got it. Oh, there it is. This one's bigger. Oh, this one is bigger. Much bigger. Oh, is this a keeper? Look at that. Another rainbow. This one is much bigger than the previous one. Okay. Still not the size I'm looking for, but this is at least 12 inches here, guys. Come on. Barely hooked it. I think I'm gonna keep this one. I'm gonna keep this one. It's hooked pretty badly and it's pretty big. There it is. Not bad at all. Decent size. Power baits are very popular. Okay, next one. Let's go. Okay. fish next to it. That's a big one. Big trout. Fish on. Oh no. Oh, so close. That was a big one. That was a big trout. Let's try this again. This time we need to set that hook better. Let's go. That was at least 15 inches right there. Where did he go? Hope he didn't go too far. He's taking chunks of it off. That's actually a big one. That's a big one. Yeah, there it is. Got him. Yep, big one. Got him. Nice rainbow trout. Keeper. I'm really hoping for northern pike, but I don't think I have the right bait for it. Beauty. Okay. Beautiful fish. Keeper. Alright. 2 more to go. I think what I'll do is, if I don't catch a northern pike by the time I reach my trout bag limit, I'll just wrap up and leave and make some plan for next time and make sure that I bring the right bait for a northern pike. Yep, that's what I'll do. And I have to look it up because I don't know what are the right baits for northern pike in the winter. I'm guessing I need something that's moving in the water to attract them. The sky is clearing up, the sun is coming out. The snow is finally gone. I think we got like 3 inches of snow at this point. fish next to it. He took it. No, he's letting go of it. Big fish, trout. Oh! My hook set was terrible. He's going back for it. Good, come on. Come on. Oh, he removed it from the hook. He took it off the hook. I wonder if I can use the same bait. I should be able to. There's a fish next to it. I think it's the same trout. One last bait. And let's see that how this turned out. I'm gonna make this a little bigger. Since it's the last cast. Let's see how it goes. Oh, perfect. We didn't get our northern pike, but we got at least 2 trout. Ooh, fish on. Oh, that's a big one. Ooh, that's a giant. Look at that. Ooh, now that is a big fish. Now this is the perfect way to end our fishing adventure. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Alright guys, we've come to the end of our fishing video. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Overall, we caught a few trout. We kept 3 decent sized ones, which is always great. We didn't catch the northern pike that we came here for, but that'll be for another day when we come back with the right bait for the northern pike. Oh, it's almost sunset.